guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about my BMW E60 because it has broken down. We are currently here in the garage to try and fix this car. I think I know what the problem is, but I'm not really sure. But it all began a few nights ago when I were to pick up this car after work. It didn't start at all, but then I got some power to it, and then, well, we can pick up the action from there. Oh. What? When I twisted the key, everything shut off. Now we got nothing. Whoa, that's strange. Oh no! The door's locked. I only have one key to the car. Oh my god, no. Oh, fuck. And the keys to my house. How do I unlock this? Oh, okay, this is not funny at all. Damn, what do I do now? Why did I shut the door? Oh. My keys to the house, keys to the car, everything is in the car is locked. What do I do? And the car doesn't even start, so that's also a problem. But first things first, I need to get in my house to get the spare key. That does not work, but I know it will fit in the locks, and hopefully I can manually open the car at least, so I get the other key. But okay, first problem, get in the house. My girlfriend is currently on vacation, so nobody's home. But I have actually left a key out for myself a long time ago. I seriously forgot about it, that I had it outside, so yeah, that's very lucky. So I've been home now. Electrical E60 problems, say what? But hopefully now we can press this in. Oh yes, good stuff. The car started. I'm getting a faulty code for a little coolant. I got the booster in the back now. Something is smoking. Whoa. Whoa, what the hell? Okay, I think I found the issue actually. That's almost falling off. The belt, of course. We got it back on again, I think. So now we are here, and I have been doing a little bit of investigation, and I think that the car is leaking a lot of fluids actually, and I do see that the water pump has a really bad bearing. I can move that like that wheel or whatever a lot around, so it seems like that has, yeah, it's in poor condition. So I think actually I need to change out the water pump first, and then I need to figure out what's wrong with the battery. I don't even know what that is, but is this the E60 life that everybody has been warning me about, that these are not good cars, that these are not good cars? I don't know. But anyways, we are going to remove some stuff today and figure out if that water pump is bad. I've already bought a new water pump, and I have bought some new coolant right there. So I'm ready to do this swap. So let's actually begin with taking this off. This is not even mounted, and this is a M57 engine, 2.5 liter M57 engine. If you want to swap your water pump on your M57 engine, now you need to watch this video so I can show you the steps on how you do it. So the first thing you need to do is loosen these bolts you see right there. All of these bolts, or not bolts, but it's Torx T25, I think. So you can remove this cover. So we'll do that first. Under this cover there is an electrical fan, which I have already removed. That is not stuck to anything. You just simply need to remove the connectors you have right here, the electrical connectors. And when you do that, you can just pull up that electrical fan, because that takes a huge space down there. But I already removed it because I needed to find out the issue the other night. So here we are in the garage with a non-working 525 diesel, and today it's time to fix it. Okay, so this is what I think is broken. The water pump is behind here, and I can loosen that thing so we can get that belt off, and I can show you how bad it is. And to loosen that, I'm actually going to use this extension thing right here, and it's a 24 millimeter, so it's a lot easier to loosen it, and I will show you. And it's real easy to just take the belt out right off. Now we can see the issue. You see here? It's leaking water. You can see, look here. It's not supposed to be like that at all. It's not supposed to be this loose. What we need to do is actually remove the EGR, I think that's called, cooler, which you see right there. So that needs to be removed, and I think we have to remove some of this, we have to remove some of that, and then we have to take the thermostat off. And yeah, there's a few things we have to remove. So let's just start doing that, and yeah, hopefully we'll get to the water pump eventually. Let's just begin. Okay, I have removed this part right there. I have loosened some different stuff right there. I have loosened all 3 bolts. That's there, under there, and over there to loosen the EGR cooler. But I'm having a hard time removing this. It's stuck. So I can't see why that's stuck. I don't... Okay, so it's actually like 2 hours later. We ran into some issues, of course. The first issue is I did not know what to remove or not, but I do know we need to remove that. And I have taken off that was also kind of tricky because I only removed that screw right there. I didn't notice the screw down there. That's the pipe. And that goes into the turbo. So that means we now can see the turbo. So here we got the turbo actually. So that's pretty cool. I felt it, it feels all right. It's, to be honest, it's a little bit of slack, not much, but a little bit. And the reason it has taken so long, because the bolts on the EGR cooler is Torx 45. And my kit right here and right here only goes to 40. So I had to buy myself a new set. So now we can take the Torx 45 on here and loosen it. You wanna help me? What? Yeah? You wanna help? That's 1 bolt. Now we got the second bolt. Oh, there we go. It's off. Okay, now we got that cooler off right there. So now it's much easier to see down here. What we're going to remove are those 2 bolts right there and those 2 on the top right there. Just need to get that hose off right there. That should not be a problem because I have loosened actually also another bolt over here, right there. You see? That's also loosened, and that makes that pipe actually loose. So to loosen this pipe right there, it's not only the bolt under there, but it's also a bolt in there actually. I'm now going to pull this a little bit back, and then this is loose. So we're going to pull this up right there. Do like so. Now I can access that bolt much better, and that's a 10 millimeter socket. Kitty wants to join, I see. But yeah, it's a 10 millimeter. That's kind of tricky, but it's tight, but it's just enough space, so it works. Thermostat, that's the last one. I'm gonna put that right there, and now that's all loose. Yeah. That's the thermostat off, that's good. It's just a few bolts you see right there for the water pump, that's good. It's not supposed to be like this. Look at that, it's horrible. Oh good. Okay, the final bolt. We are ready to unbolt. Wait. What? There we go. Okay. A good trick is to actually just look at the new water pump that we have and see where the bolts are, because here it's actually so tight I can't even see all the bolts. Oh damn it. Are we ready for this? This is the final bolt right here that we have under here. That's the bolt under there. Okay, and we put the bolt right there so we remember where that is. Now we can take this out. Woo! Yeah, look at that. That's what I thought. This has cracked. This has cracked. That bearing is so bad. I mean, I guess it's time to get the new one on. I will just get some sanding paper to sand the surface, and then we are ready to get the new one in there. We're coming along. I think I started this at like 5 o'clock. It's now 9 o'clock. Okay, so this is how it looks down here. That has metal in here, and that is not plastic, and it will not break like this one did. There's some cracks right there. That has broken, but this much stronger. It's metal. This will not break. And also you can see the bearing right here. No sound. That's good. And it's tight. Yeah, I mean, I can't even twist this. But yeah, this thing will be a lot better. It comes with new gaskets. That's really good. So I'm gonna take that on as well. Oh yeah, new one is on. We are all done. Finally, all the connectors are plugged in and connected, and everything is good. It should be good. I used a lot of time on this, to be honest, on the lower part right there. That was a real hassle to get on, but the trick I did was to loosen that up a lot, and it still did not work, so I used a ton of time on that. Then I realized, maybe I can just loosen that one, and it turned out that was not as loose as I thought. And when I could twist that a little bit, it just said click, and then it was a lot easier. So when I'm wrenching, I feel like I waste a lot of time on doing one thing in one particular way, and then I'm like focused on, that's the way I need to do it, without thinking, being creative and thinking, can I do this some other ways? And I keep getting stuck in that mindset, and I think that is what that's why I'm taking so long, because now the clock is 11 and I've seriously been in the garage here for almost 6 hours. Now it is time to fill up with some coolant. That's 3 liter. Oh, I'm getting some bubbles out here. Let's see if it starts. I don't know. Okay, bad news. We have a coolant leak. Okay, night number 2. Me and the kitty cat is right here, and we are going to fix the final problem of the day, or of yesterday. But anyways, we had a leak right here. Do like so, take that off. Yeah, that was, I need to take that out as well. I'm simply going to do like so, pull that out, and then, you know what, I think it's much easier to just snap the lower part out as well. Oh damn, there we go. The problem is this one. Have I broken something there? I don't know. That's possible. And in here we have the spring, and that, did I mount this back together again the wrong way? Is this supposed to stay like the other way perhaps? I don't know. Okay, so I will try to put it in with the smallest part in right there. And then I will put this in here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You know that clip right there? I just somehow lost the clip on the bottom. That's no joke. It will leak without it. Ah, where did that go? Are you kidding me? Because now I actually got it into place here. That's really good. Like right there, that's on, but I'm missing the clip right there. Please let me find it, because I think I actually fixed it, and that would be nice if I did.